So, final video, I'm gonna do, this is gonna be the part 2 for it, but my final, like, review on it is that it was pretty much 3 stars out of 10. I rated that low because the sherbet, it was cool to make it. I mean, it was awesome, but it was just so bitter. It was so bitter, and it's not really enjoyable to, like, have with a meal like that. I just thought it was extremely bitter. It had very low sugar in it. I still have some left that I don't know what to do with. And then we have the fruited gelatin. That was different, and that was the opposite of my last problem. It was actually very sweet, and it wasn't really enjoyable with the meal either, because the individual pot roast, so we'll go to that real quick, that had apples in it, which was different. I didn't like that I had to cook on the stove for 2 hours. I much prefer doing a pot roast in the crock pot and then put your vegetables in and not have to worry about it versus sitting and watching my oven for 2 hours. With the sweetness to the apples and then sweetness to the jello, it just didn't feel right. So I would alt that together, omit it all together. We don't need that. And then the rolls, I had such an issue with it. Barely doubled the first time, and so then I rolled them into balls. They didn't double the second time around. I tried, but they didn't double the second time around. The issue could be is my house is always cold. We have the heat on to like 75, but the house is still cold. So it probably could be that issue or just chef error in general. But in general, I would rate it a 3. I would stick to my original crockpot pot roast with maybe mashed potatoes and a classic homey cozy dessert, maybe like a German chocolate cake. That's an option, or like an apple pie. But other than that, yeah,